John.
John 3:16. For God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, that whoever believes in Him shall not perish but have everlasting life.
Mark 4.
Mark 4:39b. He got up, rebuked the wind, and said to the winds, Quiet, be still, and the wind died down, and it was completely calm.
Luke 10.
Luke 10:27b. Love your neighbor as yourself.
1 Thessalonians.
1 Thessalonians 5:17. Pray without ceasing.
Ephesians.
Ephesians 6:1. Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right.
Psalms.
Psalms 23:1 verse 2. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want.
Psalms 23.
Psalms 23.
1 to 6.
Psalms 136:1.
Psalms of David.
Psalms of David, Psalms 23:1 verse 1 to 6. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me to lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside the still water. He restores my soul. He leads me in the path of righteousness for His name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, and I will fear no evil, for You are with me. Your rod and Your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemy. You anoint my head with oil, my cup runs over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Genesis 1:1. In the beginning, God created in the heavens and the earth.
Joshua 1:9.
Joshua 1:9. Courageous and strong. Do not be afraid, do not be discouraged, for the Lord of God, and I will be with you wherever you go.
John 14.
John
14:6.
John 14:6. Jesus said, I am the way and the truth and the life. No one comes to the Father but by me.
2 Peter.
2 Peter 3:9b. But God is very patient with you. He does not want to be lost. He wants everyone to change his heart and life.
1 John 4.
1 John 4. God is love.
Okay, very